In a quiet village lived a shepherd boy who was responsible for guarding the sheep. However, he was a prankster and thought of a plan to have some fun. He shouted, "Wolf! Wolf! The wolf is coming!" The villagers dropped everything and rushed to help, only to find there were no wolves, and the boy was laughing at their expense. After a few similar pranks, a wolf really came one day. The boy cried out for help. "Wolf! Wolf! The wolf is really coming this time!" But the villagers thought it was another deceit and ignored him. The wolf took advantage of this and attacked the sheep. This old fable teaches us a valuable lesson about the importance of honesty and the consequences of lying.